On your iPhone, you can draw shapes with your finger using the writing tools in Apple Notes, or you can add them using the Shapes tool. In both cases, you have to bring up the writing tools on the keyboard toolbar. For hand-drawn shapes, after drawing your shape, you have to keep your finger pressed on the screen until it transforms. And that's all you can do with these types of shapes in Apple Notes. Simply draw them. To use the Shapes tool, go to the plus icon and add shape. You can add your shapes from the available options. Shapes do not mix with body text. So you can only add them to the handwriting section of your notebook. When you select a shape in your notes, the yellow dots let you resize, stretch, or shrink it. A green dot also appears on some shapes, which changes the number of sides in your shape. A shape can even have two green dots to adjust both. Like the star, for example, you can change how it looks. You can change the number of sides. It can also change the curvature of your arrows and lines. The three dots icon lets you cut, copy, duplicate, and delete your shape. And of course, you can move your shapes around. To modify your shape, tap on it to bring up the customization options under the writing toolbar at the bottom of the screen. Starting from left to right, you can change the border color using the grid, spectrum, sliders, hex code, or color picker. You can also adjust the opacity of your color. And Apple Notes has some presets that you can quickly use to change your shape's border color. You can adjust these by selecting a color you want to personalize. Tapping the plus icon adds your custom color to the presets, so you don't have to keep adjusting it every time you want to use it. And long pressing prompts you to delete colors. Next, in your customization options, you can change the border thickness, which ranges from 1 to 30 points. You can change or remove the fill color of your shape. Apple Notes can also remove the border color of your shape in the same way it removes the fill color. The last customization changes the opacity of the whole shape. For arrows, you can modify their line thickness and color. You can also remove arrowheads or add them to one or both ends of the line. When you have finished customizing your shape, tap Done to close these customization options and see how your shape looks.